Bumili ako sa Shopee ng cheap water bottle cover o water bottle holder for my 40-ounce Aqua Flask water bottle. I received the product here in Davao City in only just 5 days from the day I placed the order. It was indeed a very fast delivery considering na it was shipped from China. Salamat sa fast delivery Shopee, pero ang tanong, worth it ba? O nag-aaksaya lang ako ng pera? Lahat yan malalaman natin after the unboxing and review of the product. But before that, short intro muna tayo.
Every package holds a little mystery. Inside each box is a new story waiting to be discovered. Join me as I unbox, explore, and share the finds, the feels, and the surprises. Welcome to Parcel Diaries, stories inside every box.
Good day mga ka-online shoppers! Today, we will unbox and review a water bottle cover na nabili ko sa Shopee sa halagang 102 pesos. Free yung shipping fee papunta dito sa Davao City. Ang mga available na colors ay black, blue, pink, and wine red. Wine red itong napili ko kasi maroon yung kulay ng Aqua Flask water bottle ko. Available din ito para sa 420 ml, 550 ml, 750 ml, 1000 ml, at 1500 ml na water bottle. I choose the 1500 ml variant. Check natin mamaya kung fit ba to para sa 40-ounce water bottle ko. Ilalagay ko ang link ng shop sa description box, baka sakaling interesado kayong bumili. Unbox natin. Okay, so ito na yung product. Strap. Okay, check natin kung fit ba to para sa 40-ounce water bottle ko. Try na natin kung kasya ba tong water bottle cover na nabili ko dito sa 40-ounce Aqua Flask water bottle ko. Mukhang maliit siya, pero stretchable naman to. So, try pa din natin. Okay. So, mukhang kasya naman. Medyo mahirap lang hilain kasi di ko tinanggal yung silicone boot. Pero kasya naman. Okay. So, yan. Kasya naman. Okay, mukhang bagay naman. So, i-attach natin yung strap. Okay. Yan, okay naman. Kasya naman. And adjustable naman tong strap. Okay. So, maganda naman. Alright. So, that's it for this unboxing and review. Kailangan ba talaga nating bumili ng water bottle holder? Ang water bottle holder ay simple accessory lang, pero it actually helps a lot in daily life. Here's a few reasons why you need one. First, hands-free convenience. Instead na hawak mo lagi yung bottle, a holder lets you attach it to your bag, belt, bike, or even your body. So, free ang kamay mo while walking or doing other things. Second, easy access sa tubig. Kapag nasa loob ng bag yung bottle, minsan tinatamad ka nang kunin. But with a holder, madaling abutin, so mas nai-encourage kang uminom ng tubig. Third, organized ang gamit. Hindi mo na kailangang ilagay yung bottle sa loob ng bag kasama ng ibang items. Iwas kalat at iwas tapon kung sakaling mag-leak. Fourth, mas comfortable dalhin. Medyo nakakapagod din magbitbit ng bottle, lalo na kung malaki. With a holder, mas evenly distributed yung weight on your shoulder, waist, or bag. So, less hassle. Fifth, mas secure. Most holders are designed para hindi mahulog yung bottle, especially if you're walking, biking, or commuting. So, kailangan ba talaga? Yes, kung lagi kang on the go, work, travel, gym, etc. Hindi naman kailangan kung nasa bahay ka lang or okay lang sa'yo hawakan yung bottle. In short, hindi siya required pero very helpful siya especially if you carry water daily. Thank you for watching mga ka-online shoppers. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell icon as well para updated kayo sa mga upcoming ko pang videos. Bye for now and stay safe everyone.